How to insert page numbers in Word starting from page 3. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word starting from page 3. Let's get started. First of all, place your cursor right at the end of the second page. Then, go to the top of Word, click on the Layout tab, and click on Breaks. Under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. Now go back to the third page and double-click at the bottom of it to activate header and footer. Then, under Section Tools, click Link to Previous to turn it off. After that, click on the page number and choose where you want the page numbers to appear. For example, I will go with bottom of page or the center. After that, go back to page number, click on Format Page Numbers, and in the pop-up window, go to Page Numbering, select Start At, then click OK. Now you will see the numbering start from page 3 as page 1. Once done, click Close Header and Footer, and that's it. You've successfully inserted page numbers starting from page 3. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.